not enough to hurt anything. It needs to get harder. It needs to get harder. I think it's gonna give those beans a chance to start growing, but I think the corn's already done with it. I think the corn's done. It hadn't. That corn needs more. That corn don't even need rain. That's how bad it looks. Our leaves are twisted. I think that corn is just done for this year. Yep, I can tell. Can you raise the wind down? That thing down? Yep.
You reckon that's gonna help the beans?
I guess.
You reckon Dada's excited?
I guess. Has to be a lot of rain for him to be excited.